Hi, I'm Alanna from Dancin Fit, international dancer, choreographer, instructor, and owner of Dancin Fit with 26 years professional industry experience. I've come on here today to talk to you about something that for me is very obvious and very clear, but is a real light bulb moment to a lot of dancers out there. I'm particularly talking today to social dancers and to people who sit there watching people on the TV dancing, maybe on Strictly Come Dancing, and you think, I could never do that, but I'd love to do that. And I'm on here talking to you today to tell you you can do that. You absolutely can do that. If you can walk, you can dance. Now, stick with me on this, guys. I am going to talk you through the absolute magic formula, the absolute industry secret on dance. Okay, are you ready for this? Here it is. Here it is. Are you ready? You cannot think dance. Now, I'm going to repeat that. You cannot think dance. Okay, it's impossible. It's absolutely impossible. It's like thinking music when you're playing music. You cannot think it, okay? You have to feel dance. Now, I'm not sure if that's a light bulb moment for some of you, or for some of you, you're thinking, what a load of rubbish, that doesn't even make sense. So stick with me, guys. Stick with me, okay? Because this is going to be quite a light bulb moment for some of you. Some of you might think, actually, I already knew that. If you knew it, stick it in the comments. Tell me you already know it, okay? If this is a light bulb moment, tell me it's a light bulb moment for you, okay? So what on earth do I mean by you can't think dance, you have to feel dance? Well, imagine you're down the beach, and you might want to close your eyes for this, actually. Close your eyes, guys. Close your eyes. Imagine you're down the beach. You're lying on the beach, and your whole body is parallel to the sea. You're putting one hand out into the sea, and the sea is ebbing and flowing. It's ebbing and flowing, okay? Out and in, out and in. Every time it comes in, it touches your fingers and it flows back out. It comes in, it touches your fingers, and it flows back out. It's come in, it's touching your fingers, and it's flowing back out, okay? Now this sea is nice and warm. Now imagine the feeling from the sea is now going up your arm. It's ebbing and flowing. It's ebbing and flowing. In and out. In and out. Now that feeling is going to carry on going up your arm, into your shoulder, your fingers, your hand, your arm, your shoulder. You can feel the ebbing and flowing. Ebbing and flowing. Okay. Now that feeling's going to go on into your body, and you can feel ebbing and flowing. Ebbing and flowing. Your whole body is moving. Ebbing and flowing. Ebbing and flowing. Let that feeling go into your heart. Feel the ebbing and flowing. Feel ebbing and flowing. Okay, when you're ready, I want you to move your body slowly, just rocking it forward and back, forward and back. Just feel it with the waves, forward and back, forward. Your whole body is just moving because the sea is moving it. The sea is moving your body with its energy and its flow through your whole body, forward and back, forward and back. Now if you open your eyes, you see your body is moving with the sea, so you are feeling it forward and back, ebbing. Okay guys, next I'm going to put on a piece of music for you. And what I want you to do is move your body to the piece of music, just ebbing and flowing, ebbing and flowing. That's all you're doing. Just move your body. Okay, here we go. Okay, you have just been dancing. It is as simple as that. Never ever think dance. Never think, is it my right foot next? Is it my left foot next? Are my fingers pointing properly? Are my shoulders down? Nothing. Nothing. You're not looking at technique. You're not going for exams, unless you are in here going for exams. But if you're a social dancer, or you're somebody looking at somebody else on the TV thinking, I wish I could do that, and I'm never going to be able to, you have just done it. So give yourself a big pat on the back, because you are dancing, and the way you're doing it is you are feeling it. So that is my top tip, not only of the day, but of my whole dance career, to everybody I have ever taught. And I'm giving that tip free to you. Do not think dance, feel it.